everyone! Nina here together with Manu. We want to share something exciting with you. We are looking for remote embroidery pattern testers to help us bring out more amazing patterns to you way faster. We are after enthusiastic embroiderers that would be willing to make work in progress and final plush photos in exchange for embroidery patterns and the chance to work and learn from me. What are the requirements? Of course, having an embroidery machine, good quality photos on plain and well-lit backgrounds, eye for details, and open to providing and accepting feedback. Entries will be judged on photo quality, as this will be the main aspect representing my brand. This will give me more time to design patterns and allow me to spend more time crafting my adorable dragons. Check the link below and send in your application before the 31st of January. Looking forward to reading them and seeing all your photos. Mwah!